ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಅಮೇಚೂರ್ ಅಥ್ಲೆಟಿಕ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಸತತ 4ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 9ರಂದು ಮಣಿಪಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಲಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಎಚ್.ಎಸ್. ಬಳ್ಳಾಲ್ ರವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗಿನ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಗಾಂಗ ದಾನದ ಕುರಿತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಅರಿವು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಹಿನ್ನೆಲೆ ಈ ಕುರಿತು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಿವು ಮೂಡಿಸುವ ಉದ್ದೇಶದಿಂದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಎಂದು ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 9ರಂದು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು ಸಮಯ 5:15ರ ವೇಳೆಗೆ ಐಸಿಐಸಿಐ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ನ ವೆಲ್ತ್ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರುವ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಸೆಹಗಲ್ ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣದ ಮೂಲಕ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಚಾಲನೆಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದು ಸುಮಾರು 42 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಓಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೂ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಓಟದಲ್ಲಿ ವಿದೇಶಿಯರು ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಸುಮಾರು 10,000 ಮಂದಿ ಭಾಗವಹಿಸುವ ನಿರೀಕ್ಷೆ ಇದೆ ಎಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಜನರು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಪಾಲ್ಗೊಳ್ಳಬೇಕೆಂದು ಇದೇ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಣಿಪಾಲ್ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾರ್ ನಾರಾಯಣ್ ಸಭಾಯಿತ್, ವೈಎಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸಲರ್ PLNG ರಾವ್ ಸೇರಿದಂತೆ ಮತ್ತಿತರರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
Manipal Marathon is an annually running event which is held on the second Sunday of February every year. And this is the 4th edition of Manipal Marathon, jointly organized by Manipal Academy of Higher Education MAHE and Udupi District Amateur Athletic Association. We have many sponsors for this event, and the main sponsors for this event this year or the title sponsors as we call are from ICICI Bank, and we have many other sponsors also who are promoting this event. The speciality of this year's event is till last year, that is till the 3rd edition, we used to have half marathon. From this year onwards we are going to have full marathon, a distance of 42 kilometers in which lot of foreign marathon runners as well as Indian runners from different parts of the country are participating. We already have more than 65 registrations. This event will be flagged off on Sunday the 9th of February at 5:15 in the morning in front of our university building. And we are expecting a participation of more than 10,000 runners during this event, which is the highest so far. Every year there is a theme for the marathons that we hold, and this year's theme of the marathon is organ donation, the importance of organ donation, because thousands of people in this country die because their organs are not functioning properly. If these organs are donated, they can lead a normal life. So basically the theme is to create awareness amongst the public the importance of organ donation.
This year, to commemorate this full marathon, Manipal, in association with India Post, is releasing a special cover to commemorate the marathon and also the cause for which this marathon is held, and that is organ transplant. Organ donation is a very noble cause which has been embraced by MAHE and the Manipal Runners Club and the Udupi District Athletic Association. And this cause is being remembered by the release of this special cover, which will happen at 6:45 AM on 9th of February, when Mr. Charles Lobo, the Postmaster General, will be here for this release. I wish all the runners the very best. Please join us in celebrating this run of 2020.
It's a proud feeling to say that the Manipal Marathon is now certified by the Association of International Marathons and Distance Races. So it's a renowned marathon now. So we request all of you to come and participate. The theme for this year's marathon is organ donation. We need to create more awareness about organ donation in society, because you know so many people are dying these days waiting for an organ to be donated, and so we hope to create an awareness in society by organizing this run. We request all people from far and wide to come and participate in this run, along with the more serious timed categories. We also have a 3K fun run where most people participate. We have nearly 7,000 to 8,000 people participating in the 3K run, and we also have a fun-filled carnival after the marathon at the greens. We request all people to come and participate along with their families, so that you can spend your Sunday morning in a nice way.
As far as Manipal Marathon is concerned, I am glad that I have been associated with the Manipal Runners Club, which is a group of enthusiastic youngsters who have been propagating the idea of running in the campus. We started off with our first run in 2017, and fortunately we have been going on strongly ever since, and this is the 4th edition of the Manipal Runners Club Manipal Marathon, which we are planning to organize. Now, one message which I would like to give to all the beginners is, there's this false concept that if you join for a 5K, you go join for a 10-kilometer run, you need to run the entire distance. That isn't true. You can just, the charm or the fun is in finishing. You can run, walk, maybe walk, run, either way, crawl. You just, the joy which you get when you finish even a 5-kilometer or a 10-kilometer run is what propels you and helps you to keep running further. Mind you, I have been running for the last 4-5 years. My timings have not improved at all. I have been a slow runner. Half of my runs, in fact, half of my Mumbai Marathon, which I did last 2 weeks back, half of it I just completed walking. But there's a joy when you finish running. So that is what I wish to convey to you. You need not run the entire distance. Run, walk, finish. That gives you a high. That propels you to keep running, and that helps you to keep fit.